Okay, question 18. Draw a circle around the prime numbers. Now, as it says down here, this is the crucial thing to remember. Prime numbers have exactly two different factors, one and itself. So, what I normally do is I encourage people to make a list of the factors of each number. And if it's got more than two factors, it's not prime. If it's got exactly two factors, it is prime. So, the number 22, we can do 1 times 22. 37, we can do 1 times 37. The number 1, the only way of making it is 1 times 1. 86, 1 times 86. 17, 1 times 17. So as you can see, with any number, you can always do 1 times by itself. But if you need to see if there's any other factors that times together to make these numbers. So for 22, we could have 2 times 11. Now, straight away, that now means that there are 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 22 cannot be prime because there's 4 factors. There's more than 2 factors. 37, that is the only way of making it, 1 times 37. You can't have decimals in this. So you can't say 2 times 18.5 because although that makes 37, you can't have decimals. So 18.5 is not allowed, and therefore the 2 that it pairs up with is also not allowed. So we'll cross that one out. So 37 is definitely prime. Now the number 1, the only way of making it is 1 times by 1. But it does say exactly 2 different factors. And that's where this word different comes into play. Because 1 times 1 is the same number twice. It isn't 2 different numbers. So actually, the number 1 is not prime either. Because it doesn't have exactly 2 different factors. It's only got 1 different factor. It's got less than 2 different factors. 86, well, that's an even number. So we can go 2 times 43. 43 is half of 86. So that can't be prime because that's got more than 2 factors. And 17, the only way of making it is 1 times 17. So that is also prime. So the correct answers for this question are 37 and 17.